Hello friends, it's Gurinder here. In this video we will see how we can install WordPress to our own hosting server. By installing WordPress to your own hosting server, you will get more freedom and more customizability to make your WordPress run and work according to your needs. So to install WordPress on your own hosting server, you need three things. First of all, you need installation folder or installation files from WordPress. These are free of cost. You can download WordPress installation files from wordpress.org. Click this button here, download WordPress 3.3 and download zip file. We can download, let's create a new folder here, 3.3.1, save. Now next thing, you need a file transfer software. I use FileZilla project.org. You can use anyone, for example Dreamweaver and so on. Click downloads, download this setup.exe. You can download this zip too. So it's starting, all save in the same folder. And the third thing you need is web hosting account. There's a really cheap account and with a good service, customer service, and with a good server. IX web hosting, they are offering really good plan. You can access this by going to WordPress, by going to my website and click this link here, and you can go to the plan straight away. So let's see, I have already registered with them, so I just start with here, log into my account, enter your email and password, login. Here I'll go down and click this manage my account. Now I go to my folders here. Now extract, we have downloaded this zip file. Now I will extract it here. And before we upload these files to our server, we need to make some changes to this WordPress config file. Let's open it with Notepad. Now before we make any changes to this WordPress config sample file, we need to make database into our hosting server, and we have to register a user who can access our files and able to upload or transfer files from computer to the server. So now we go to our web hosting account. We go to FTP manager, FTP sub accounts, click this add here, login name, Prism example, let's try this, GP test 1, that's login. Relative home directory could be, what is the relative home directory? It's the address of the directory. So let's try prism.com, password, okay, submit. Let's keep the password simple. P test 123 GP test 123. So I'll just save this password now in a new text file, so I don't want to forget it. Okay, so login name is GP test. Test, and this is for what? TP. So home directory is prism.com. Password we have created GP test 123. Now we need to create a database. So for now we just click submit here. To create a database, go to MySQL server, add database, just name this test database, test database for tutorials. Next, now you add a MySQL user to the database. User would be GP test user. Password, let's keep it same, GP test 123 GP test 123, and user role database administrator. Add user. Now we pick the user and assign a role again, grant, finish. Now a database has been created, and if you click the link here, you can see host name, port number, database name, and database user. So host name is MySQL, this link here. So most of the time you might have just local host here, but this at IX web hosting you always have this kind of link. Port number, it was database user, name was, what was the database name here, Okay, now we got all of the details whatsoever we need. Let's go to our WordPress config sample page. Now all the details we have written here we need to transfer to this page here. So what's the database name? We grab database name from here, copy, simply paste it here. Database username, copy, paste it here. Database password, it was, what was that? Password was gp test 123, and host name was, we have it here, now we'll save this as .php. Okay. Now one more thing you might need to change is this authentic key, all of these parameter here. If you change, you might want to change it because you want to save it your website from your hackers, and it looks really hard to change it, but it's really simple. Go to this link here, solved, copy this link and paste it to the paste and go. So just copy all of this here, Control C, and paste it. Select this here and paste it here. So now you have everything here. Control S. This has been saved. We don't need it anymore. Let's go to our folder. Now we have to upload all of these files to the server, but first we need to install FileZilla. Run. Start FileZilla. You can write this one or just write .com, leave this port empty. Normal user is, this is a user, gp test, and enter the password. Let's try now. Well, it's connected. Now it's connected. We go to the, now we upload all our WordPress files over here. Go to desktop, Grinder, WordPress. Here are all my files. Select all except this file here because we don't need it. We already configured this file in here. Just simply drag it and drop it in this folder here. Now it's uploading. I pause while it finishes upload. Okay, now you can see successful transfers 936, and there is no file failed transfer, so all the files have been transferred. Now we go to our website www.gadgetprism.com to see if it's actually working. Yes, so WordPress is working. Now here you need to put site title. It's Gadget Prism. Username, always change your username, so I'll change it to, for now we just keep it admin, but remember, never keep it admin. This is not a good habit, because hacker can hack your website easily. Your password, I just type it. Your email, info@prism.com. Allow my site to appear in search engines like Google and Technorati. Install WordPress. Now login. It's admin. Oops. Now save password. So your WordPress has been installed, and you can visit your site by clicking this Gadget Prism link. Visit site, open link in new window. Now here you can see your default posts have been installed, default theme 2010 theme, and your title here and your menu here. Now check out my other videos to see how we can customize this WordPress website and to make a blog or to make a really professional looking website. Thank you for watching video.